Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Cricut the Heart. I wanted to share a tag flip that I received from a sweet lady named Holly. And we did our swap from the snail mail flip books or more, something like that on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. I've been a part of the group for a while. I do a handful of swaps every year on it, generally in the summer, but I also enjoy doing a Christmas one, so why not? So anyway, it came wrapped in this beautiful silver tissue paper. It had a bow on it. It was just super cute and packaged up. So she used Santa Baby for her flip. This is actually her very first flip. She did a great job. It's really cute. So she has some trims tied at the front here. I'm trying to find a way to, got some stuff tied up here. So, so this is the first tag. It's the 25. She made it into like a flag, and then she's got snowflakes on here. Really cute. And then we've got a shaker, and I love her shaker because I love the colors she used in these snowflakes. It's really nice. And then she put these really cute scented lip balms in here, which I think is really sweet and a cute idea. And there's also like a snowflake here too. Snowflake, those. And then what's really cute is she put a little thing back there. And then she made these resin pieces. So there's these little resin pieces throughout the album that she has made. So this is one of the ones that she made, and I just think it's so pretty. And so we've got this flower and this tag. I think we have the same tag set. Looks like cat scrappiness. So I love that. And then here she made these resin pieces. So they're like candy that she made and decorated, which I love. Love that very much. And then she cut out a Christmas tree, which I really like this die cut. This is a really nice Christmas tree die cut. And she has a felt deer there, right? I kind of really like that. It's very simple. There you go. And then she has a little embellishment box, which is so cute. And she has her resin trees, which I love. I'm going to have to hoard those. Little bells, little bows. I mean, this is just so adorable. So she has that in there. And then here she has a mitten. And then she's got this poinsettia and the deer chipboard. Just amazing. And then here I've got this really pretty flower, and there's like a deer right here. And then in here, in the pockets, oh my gosh, she put little dies in here. Oh, how cute. So like little tag dies, it looks like. Let's see here. I don't know how to open this up. So here we go. And the bottom. So yeah, they're tag dies. So there's like a deer, and there's a snowflake, and a heart, a star, a tree, and another heart. Isn't that fun? That was in this pocket. Super cute. And then here we have another tag where she has another of these resin pieces that she has made, a poinsettia. And I just think that's so adorable. Thank you very much, Holly. Very, very cute. I don't think she has a YouTube channel because she didn't list it on her card or anything. Anyway, I just wanted to share my little bit of happy mail. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Cricut the Heart.